Hello guys, just don't mind the noise, it's just my family. This makes ice cream. I washed it. You put anything and you can make it an ice cream. I chose this. I don't know how to say it, but it has cherries and strawberries. So you need to put some, any drink or fruit. I'm just measuring to see how much I can put inside because I don't want it to spill. It's my baby sister. She doesn't want to wake up from her nap. That's my brother on his laptop. And he's playing video games. Come with me to the sink. I'm in the sink. Let me go next to the... Just hold on.